welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a Cricut tutorial, which means it's probably Monday, and if you're not subscribed already, make sure you check out that subscribe button. Give this a big thumbs up if you like this tutorial. You can wait till the end if you decide if you do or you don't as well. Today I'm teaching you guys how to iron on metal. I'm not necessarily teaching you how to work with iron-on. If you need to know how to do that, check out my all about iron-on and how to use it video. That is where you're gonna learn how to use iron-on, specifically, and all the other doodads that come with iron-on. This is just to show you how long it takes to apply it to metal, and just talk about kind of some of those questions you may have when you're actually applying iron-on to metal. I hope that explains that. But did you know that you can iron on to metal? So that's what we're talking about today, if you didn't realize that. All right, so let's get going. If you need Cricut coupon codes, check out my blog. Links are in the description for you to get any of the newest, latest, most coolest deals, as well as my coupon code, which is anti-tay, and you'll get 10% off, plus free shipping, plus you can pair it with your access code, plus whatever deals I have going on the blog. So make sure to check that out first before you shop anytime so that you can make sure to get the best deal ever. All right, let's get going. Let's do some iron on metal.